weekly Forex outlook for Sunday, February 23rd to Friday, February 28th. Doing my weekly breakdown on all my currency pairs with gold, WTI, COUSD, and Brent crude oil with S&P, NAS, and US 30. So to start us off, let's start with the DXY. DXY from the previous week going into this one, right? We've still been trending bearish on the daily time frame. Daily structure is bearish. Weekly structure is more of a retracement. This would be the last valid higher low that led to that higher high. Right, we're in a bearish retracement on the weekly bullish time frame, but overall daily time frame is bearish. There are obviously going to correlate with daily, right, going to the downside. We are currently rejecting from a daily bullish order block right around here. Going to go ahead and label and leave it there. See what price does in this area. Looking like it's already rejecting from that area. Really. Gonna go ahead and leave that there. Start us off. Let's start with GJ. GJ from the previous week going into this one, daily structure is bullish. I'm sorry, bearish. We're gonna go ahead and label this. Demand area, see what price does in this area. Go ahead and leave that there. Weekly time frame is still in a bullish retracement. Overall bearish structure on the weekly for GU. Daily time frame is bullish. Gonna go ahead and delete these two areas since they're no longer valid respected areas of supply anymore since they were taken out. Sorry, why did I just do that? 3 hour is trending to the upside. Right, clean rejection off this bullish order block right here. Odd USD, similar price action to GJ. Daily time frame is bullish. Weekly time frame is bearish. Could go ahead and delete this weekly demand area. UJ, previous week going into this one, daily time frame is bearish. Weekly time frame currently rejecting from that weekly demand area. Looks like we did wick out of that area, but still would want to keep this area drawn to see what price does. Gonna go ahead and leave that there. XAU USD, bullish on all time frames. Beautiful rejection off that daily demand area right around here. Right there. Daily TBV demand. Gonna go ahead and leave that there. Right. See what price does. WTI COUSD. Daily time frame is bearish. Weekly time frame is bearish. Coming back down to that weekly demand area I've had drawn. The price has been respecting it. Minor overshoot right around here. There's another one I had. Hold on, let me try to find it. Better one than that. This one is what I use for my overshoots. Right. Go ahead and leave that there. Beautiful rejection from that weekly supply area I had labeled. BCO USD, similar price action to WTI CO USD. Right, price still rejecting from that weekly demand area. Coming back down and respecting it. This price is going to take it out. Who knows? Let's see. S&P 500. Price overshot that weekly TBV area supply before overall coming to the downside. Right, on the daily, similar price action to what I said before. Go to my 3 hour and see if I can find a daily area of demand. We don't have one, but what we do see is a fair value gap right around there. Go ahead and leave that there. Go ahead and change that to a daily. We're going to go ahead and leave that there. One sec, my friend just invited me into a. Yeah, NAS 100s similar, actually more cleaner price action than S&P. Instead of deleting this area, I'm going to go ahead and move it since that previous area was taken out. Go ahead and stretch this area out right here. Leave that there. Move this over here. Overshot of that area before price going to the downside. Now price looking like it's coming back down and going to reject back from that previous area of demand. Also looking back, does seem like price rejected right on here. Sorry for that background noise. Overall, a lot of these pairs are in retracements, but overall still withholding bullish structure. US 30, very similar, if not the same price action. Right, looking left, you do see price came to this previous area of daily supply, rejected from this daily sell order block, before overall going to the downside. Right, overall, very clean price action for this week, a lot of opportunity. Let's see what happens. Thank you guys for watching my video, and have a good trading week.